Have you ever been just shocked by your appearance on a video call? You know that moment where you sneak a peek at your self view and think, when did I start looking so tired? Look, the truth is, we can't completely stop the aging process. However, we can absolutely avoid the styling mistakes that make us look older than we are. I'm Julie Hansen, and welcome to my channel. After working with hundreds of professional women, helping them transform their virtual presence, I've identified the top 5 style choices that make you look unnecessarily older than you are. The best part, they're either completely avoidable or easily fixable. So let's dive in. So, like me, you may have been conditioned to reach for that blazer anytime you had a professional meeting. However, what most women don't realize is that the traditional blazer was designed to be worn in person where you can see the whole silhouette. Because most blazers are shoulder heavy and baggier until they get fitted right around the waist. And of course, they don't see your waist on video. So we miss that whole effect. And instead of looking polished and professional in a jacket on video, we often look like we're wearing our dad's suit. That masculine silhouette and boxy look instantly ages you and makes you look outdated and shapeless. So, what's the fix? Well, 2 suggestions for you. The first is to swap out that bulky or stiff jacket for something in a more lightweight fabric that's fitted and has perhaps a little stretch to it. The other one is a real game changer that I love, and that is looking for a tailored or structured vest. These can look really polished and professional on video, minus the bulk of the jacket. Suggestions on how to style a vest on video, I will link my vest for video tutorial below. I love my neutrals. However, the camera lighting is unforgiving, and those beiges, tans, grays, and pastels that look so sophisticated in person literally drain the life out of your face on screen. The fix? Embrace more jewel tones in your wardrobe, the emeralds, sapphires, burgundies that will add more life to your face and make you glow. I know small floral prints can be very feminine and pretty. However, they can also instantly date you, sort of like looking at grandmother's wallpaper. And on camera, those tiny, busy patterns can create a lot of chaos and distract your audience as well. If you love florals, but you want to avoid that vintage floral effect, think about going more bold and modern. Look for patterns that are a little larger, a medium-sized floral print, or perhaps an interesting abstract print that has clean lines and vibrant colors. Now, this one may surprise you. Trendy tops that are designed for a younger generation, like cold shoulders, cutouts, or overly casual styles, actually make you appear older than you are because they create such a stark contrast with your professional setting. It's like wearing a costume to a non-costume party. The fix? Choose contemporary pieces that look current but sophisticated. Look for interesting necklines or fabrics or patterns or subtle architectural details that make you look modern without trying too hard. Traditional professional jewelry like pearls or gold or silver chains not only date your look, but those reflective surfaces can also distract by creating a flash that draws your audience's attention away from your face. So what's the solution? Well, think about simple and modern styles and matte finishes. There are some beautiful acrylic and wooden statement necklaces out there, or you can go another route and look for brushed metal in some great geometric patterns. The goal is to frame your face, not steal attention from it. Remember, looking younger isn't about chasing trends or hiding various parts of your face or body on camera. It's about understanding the medium and making strategic choices that enhance your natural presence. These 5 fixes will automatically update your virtual presence and make you look and feel confident at any age. Well, thanks for watching, ladies, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more virtual presence and style tips.